envelope calculation.
Why don't these messages cut through?
I'll tell you what, the point was unmindfulness. I'm now looking at all those drinks. I'm thinking in my life, all those drinks I've had, how many did I actually want, need, or enjoy? Right. And it's probably about 15%. It's probably about 1 in 7 of those drinks were the mindful ones, if you like. The rest is just habit.
Do you think I was wondering this when I heard this news this morning on the radio, and I thought about my kids who are under the age of 10, and I wondered if in 40 years' time, when my kids are my age, they will be looking back and saying, do you know what? They used to drink that stuff. Do you think we ever get to that point?
I think possibly, you know, I've got a newspaper cutting on my wall. It's something to do with my football team when they won the cup in '54. That's on the back page. On the front page of that newspaper, the headline is, "Does smoking kill?" ? You know, and I just wonder whether we are going to be in the same place in 40 years' time. But I just think there's too much of it. We're not going to reel it back. You know, you look at there's a brilliant documentary about Prohibition by Ken Burns on Netflix, which I urge everyone to watch. Just sort of explains how it just couldn't happen in the States. We need to manage it properly and think about it more and still enjoy the odd drink.
Well, indeed. Adrian Charles, I'll leave you to go off and get a nice cup of tea. Thanks very much indeed. Do get in touch with us on social media. You can use the hashtag BBC Watto if you want to let us know what you think on alcohol consumption. Now, all this